Where does the name for Rhyd of Oil come from? So today I'm in Conwy County, just south of Llanddulas up in the hills, in a small town called Rhyd of Oil. The name's made of three parts. Rhyd, which means a crossing place on a river, in this case the Afon Ddilas, which flows down at the bottom of town. Then we have which means the, and then we have Foel, which is the soft mutation of Moel, which means bold, literally, but figuratively means a hill that's tall enough to be above the tree line, but shorter than a mountain. And it probably refers to the hill fort up at the back of it, Pen y Cwrddyn Mawr, which I'll go to in a later video. So literally it means the ford of the hill. Anyway, diolch. Subscribe for more, give us a like and a share, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, check out my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.